In a classic fast food showdown, the McChicken and Cheeseburger from McDonald's are two popular choices. The McChicken, a crispy chicken fillet sandwiched between a toasted bun with lettuce, pickles, and a sweet and tangy sauce, offers a zesty, juicy chicken experience. On the other hand, the cheeseburger, a timeless combination of a beef patty, cheese, onions, pickles, and ketchup on a sesame seed bun, delivers a traditional cheesy burger taste. Both options cater to different preferences, with the McChicken appealing to those who enjoy chicken sandwiches and the cheeseburger satisfying those craving a classic burger.